In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign records to queue using Salesforce Flow. We'll build a simple automation that routes new or changed records to the right queue so your team can pick them up faster and more consistently. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Open Setup from the gear icon, then go to the Setup Home. In the Quick Find box, type Flows, and open the Flows page. Click New Flow to begin. Choose the Triggered Automations category. This area contains flows that start automatically when something happens in Salesforce, so you don't need users to click a button. Next, select Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow runs when a record is created or updated, which is perfect for handing cases to a queue the moment they enter the system. Set the object to Case. That tells Salesforce which kind of record will start the flow. For the run behavior, choose Actions and Related Records. This optimization focuses the flow on updates to the record that fired the flow and any related records, keeping it efficient and fast. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first element and pick Get Records. This element looks up data you'll need later in the flow. Give it a clear label. Salesforce fills the API name automatically. Choose the buyer group object as the source you're querying. Add a filter where the name field matches the value you want to key off, such as a field from the case like the account ID, so you pull back the correct related record. Add another element with the plus icon and select Update Records. Use this to set the case owner to a queue. Enter a descriptive label. Again, the API name fills in automatically. Choose the option to use the case record that triggered the flow. This ensures you're updating the exact record that started everything. In the field list, select Owner ID. This is where you point the case to a queue or user. For the value, reference the data you retrieved in Get Records, such as the account ID or related identifier from the buyer group record, depending on how your org maps cases to queues. The key is that the value resolves to the intended queue's identifier. Click Save. Provide a meaningful flow label and confirm the API name. Finally, save again and click Activate. Your flow is now live and will assign cases to the appropriate queue automatically. That's how to assign records to a queue using Salesforce Flow. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.